Are you concerned about eating well as you age? You're not alone. Many seniors living solo find meal planning intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Focusing on nutrition is crucial to maintaining vitality and independence. By making informed choices, you enhance your quality of life and reduce the risk of diet-related health issues. Let's explore practical, easy ways to improve your nutrition. Whether you're cooking for one or seeking simplicity, this journey will empower you to nurture your body and spirit. Join us on this path to healthier meals and a more vibrant life. As we age, our bodies naturally change, affecting how we process food. Metabolism slows, muscle mass decreases, and nutrient needs can shift. Imagine your body as a car that requires different fuel and maintenance at different life stages. It's vital to adapt to these changes to stay healthy and energized. Understanding these alterations empowers you to make informed dietary decisions. With the right knowledge and tips, meal planning becomes less of a chore and more of a nourishing act of self-care. Embrace these changes and take control of your well-being. Recognizing the signs that your nutrition may need adjustment is crucial. Symptoms like fatigue, unintended weight changes, or increased susceptibility to illness can signal dietary concerns. It's essential to listen to your body's signals. Paying attention without anxiety ensures you can address any nutritional imbalances early on. Regular health checkups can help you identify and understand these cues better. By staying attuned to your body's needs, you can make necessary tweaks to your diet, ensuring it supports your health and longevity. Eating nutritious meals need not be difficult. Focus on incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet. Plan meals that are colorful. They often provide a range of essential nutrients. Timing is also key. Eating smaller meals throughout the day can keep energy levels stable. Batch cooking on weekends can make daily meal preparation simpler. Use herbs and spices to enhance flavor without adding salt. With thoughtful planning, you can enjoy delicious, healthy meals that support your body's changing needs. Introducing regular, gentle exercise can greatly benefit your overall health. Consider walking, stretching, or yoga, which can be adapted to your ability level. The goal is to keep moving while prioritizing safety. Regular movement helps maintain muscle mass, flexibility, and balance, reducing the risk of falls. Begin slowly and gradually increase your activity. Joining a local senior exercise group could be both motivating and social. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Fitting these activities into your weekly routine will complement your healthy eating plan wonderfully. Maintaining regular medical appointments is essential. Partner with healthcare providers to monitor your nutritional needs and overall health. They can customize advice based on your specific medical history and lifestyle. Do not hesitate to discuss any concerns during these visits, as they offer opportunities for invaluable support and guidance. Stay informed about when urgent attention is necessary, like sudden weight changes or persistent fatigue. A proactive approach to healthcare ensures you remain on top of your nutritional and medical needs as you age. Mental health is as important as physical health. A balanced diet combined with regular exercise can boost mood and cognitive function. Engage in activities that bring joy and stimulate the mind, like puzzles, reading, or social gatherings. Maintaining social connections is crucial for emotional well-being. Reach out to family, friends, or community groups to stay involved and supported. During challenging times, consider mindfulness or meditation to center yourself. A positive mental outlook can significantly enhance your quality of life and complement your physical health efforts. In summary, healthy meal planning is pivotal for seniors living alone. Understand your body's changing needs, recognize nutrition signs, and take consistent small steps towards well-being. Prioritize a balanced diet complemented by regular, gentle movement. Use regular medical appointments to tailor your approach. Nurture mental health by staying socially active and embracing positivity. Start today with one actionable change, maybe incorporating more vegetables or taking a short walk daily. Trust in your ability to make better choices for a vibrant, independent future. Remember, you hold the key to a healthier, more fulfilling life.